Hello everybody and welcome to another video from conversionskitchen.com, and today we are going to be looking at high ticket dropshipping. Now, what is high ticket dropshipping? Well, it is basically when your business is dealing with products of a higher value, which generally means a higher profit margin. So, what are the benefits of high ticket dropshipping? Well, as we've mentioned, it's better profit. So if you sell an item for 2,000 and your profit is 300 or 400, then obviously that is a bigger profit margin than if you sold a product for $30 and your profit margin was your profit was $50. So other benefits include less trend-based and more sustainable. So often these products, higher cost products, are not just come and go products. They are there. They'll have a longer market life, so you will be dealing with them for a longer time. They won't just come and go. Also we have, because you are dealing with probably less customers when you're dealing with higher end products, you're going to have a smaller customer base because they're not going to be buying them left, right, and center. They will be a smaller customer base, which means that you can spend more time on each customer. It means you can put more time into customer service and customer feedback, taking care of your customers in general. So let's look at the drawbacks of high ticket dropshipping. So obviously, because the products are going to cost more, you will probably need to invest more money. So your initial investment will be more, and also this is a higher market, so people expect higher quality, so experience is probably better. It's probably not better to dive straight into high ticket dropshipping if you're just getting into dropshipping in general. Also, it's very important about supply chain. Suppliers, if there's a problem with supply and delivery, this can be a real problem with higher end products because customers are going to be more picky because they're spending more money. Simple as that. So let's look at a few examples we've got here 10 examples of dropshipping niches. So first of all, we have yard and gardening. So for instance, garden sheds, modular garden sheds, vertical aeroponics growing systems for growing plants. So let's look at here, Ulrich lifestyle. So here's some modular garden sheds. Next we have 3D printing. This is a growing industry all the time, as we all know. Let's look here at 3D printers on 3D printers online store.com. So you can go ahead and look at these. All the links will be in the description of the video. We have home fitness and sports. So this can include, yoga equipment, water trampolines, balance beams, etc. For your garden, or if you happen to live near water, you can get one of these trampolines and floating trampolines. Okay, next we have the kitchen equipment. So high-end kitchen equipment like range hoods, water filters, induction cooktops. And we have a beautiful website here from zlinekitchen.com. So they do some beautiful range hoods here, and it's a very stylish website. We're going to talk about that a little bit later again. Gym equipment. So that's a stable in the high ticket dropshipping area. High-end products. So let's look at some examples here. We have Gym Source, we have some treadmills, ellipticals, exercise bikes, etc. Beverage equipment like espresso makers and beer brewing kits, for instance. So here we have some espresso makers, espresso machines, and you see the prices there up in the thousands. We also have outdoor equipment, so roof racks or paddle boards, this kind of thing. So here's an example from Rhino Rack, and they sell obviously roof racks here. Okay, and next we have stress relief equipment. No, not fidget spinners, but higher end products than that, such as infrared saunas, massage chairs. Here is some infrared saunas from Granger.com. Next we have electric bicycles, a stable in the sort of higher end product market. And here is an example from bicycling. And there is a sort of a very modern looking, a beautiful website as well, this one. So next we have pool equipment. So pool cover rollers, pool cleaning robots, etc. So here we have an example from JD Pools. Here is a cleaning robot, a pool cleaning robot, Bluetooth enabled. Okay, so let's talk about what you need to think about when setting up your high ticket dropshipping store. So branding, logo, and website is super important because you're dealing with higher end products. Your customers are going to be spending more money. This means that your website, your logo, your branding, and your photography all need to be top notch because your customers are going to be spending more money, and they are going to want to trust you. So they want to see that you've put in the work and you've invested and that you know what you're doing. So the way to show them this is high quality branding, really high quality visuals and photography, a really good website, and overall just top-notch branding. So another thing we need to think about, and just to go back to Z-Line Kitchens, let's look at these guys. This is a very, very nice website here. Beautiful photography. You can tell that there's investment in this website, and that gives you faith that the service and the products are going to be in a similar range of quality. Customer relations is very important. As we said earlier on, you won't be dealing with such a large customer base, which means that you can spend more time dealing with individual customers. So FAQ is very important, frequently asked questions. So you can have a section on your website that deals with payment and refunds. Badges of trust, so if you've been endorsed by any companies or media, you can show that. Let's see, we have an example here. And also customer reviews, again, in every level, but particularly when we're dealing with higher end products, this is super important. So we see here in Ulrich Lifestyle, they have testimonials section, and we see the customer reviews there. That is really a must if you're selling high end products. And also customer communication channel. So what I mean by that is maybe social media, or a lot of websites now are using this live chat here. So if I click on that, I can get straight onto them and they can answer any questions that might be stopping me from making a purchase. Okay, that was the high ticket dropshipping guide from conversionskitchen.com. If you want to read the whole article, you can go over there to conversionskitchen.com. We are Conversions Chef on YouTube, and all of the relevant links will be posted in the description of this video. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.